In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up portable hotspots on Poco C75. Go in settings, simply scroll down, tap on portable hotspots. Now to set up the portable hotspots, simply tap on this toggle. From here, you can enter the device name or your name. For example, I will enter channel name here, and from here you can enter the password. For example, this password is hard to remember, so I will simply enter easy password. Now if you tap on security, here you get the WPA2 personal, WPA3 personal, so I will simply select WPA3 personal. If you tap on hide its SSID, you can simply hide it or unhide it. So this is enough to set up portable hotspots. I will simply tap on tick to save it. So this is how you can set up portable hotspots on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.